Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the universal ingredient in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to get the universal ingredient and you can purchase this item from Masimo, but you need to have level 4 in your cooking hobby so you can purchase the universal ingredient. Wait, let me find my universal ingredient in my backpack. Okay, this one. As you can see, now we can substitute any ingredient in cooking recipes with this item. So I'm going to cook and I'm going to replace one of the ingredient with the universal ingredient. Okay, this is the ingredient. You will need meat, wheat, tomato, and cheese to make meat sauce pasta. Let's say I don't have this meat, so I'm going to replace it with the universal ingredient. Okay, and I'm going to click on start cooking. And yeah, basically it can help you when you don't have a certain ingredient. It works for all recipes in Heartopia. Wait, oh, almost burnt. Oh, okay. And I'm going to take the food. Okay. Thank you guys, and that's how we can use the universal ingredient in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.